Howdy-ho, my friends. Matthew here from the Medical Medium Way, and I'm excited because today I'm going to show you some trees that are in the backyard that are flowering. And the first tree I want to show you is a lychee, and this lychee is filled with honeybees that are hitting these flowers and buds and pollinating. Hundreds and hundreds of bees are pollinating the lychee tree right now because it's budding and flowering. It's really great to see. Now, about 4 or 5 months ago, I put down some fertilizer called citrus tone from Espoma, E-S-P-O-M-A, and I'll put a picture up of what that looks like. And the lychee tree has not flowered like this ever, and it's doing really well. You could see the bees are just all over the place, going crazy, loving this lychee tree. So I'm excited. I'm going to get a tremendous lychee harvest this year. I'm really looking forward to that. All right, moving on to the next is Surinam cherry. Now this is a small red, dark red cherry, almost purple. And I'll put a picture up of that as well. And it's ribbed like a pumpkin, and I'll show you in the picture. And this is flowering like crazy as well. Lots and lots of flowers everywhere. There's going to be a tremendous Surinam cherry harvest this year as well. Moving along, we're going to hit the mango. The mango flowered a little bit earlier. It's March of 2021 right now, and so the mango flowered earlier in February, and you can see there's already mangoes coming on this this tree. See that? So there you go. That's mango. Look at that. There's gonna be a lot of mangoes this year. And I think the difference really this year is that I fertilized about October. I fertilized with Espoma citrus tone and watered it in really well. Now the next one I want to show you is I have lime and I have lemon. So here's some beautiful lemon right here. Let's see. Yep, smells so good. Oh, that's really good. That lemon is flowering. Look at these beautiful flower buds. The bees, oh, there's a bee right there. Look at that beautiful bee. Yeah. So nice. I don't have a beehive anymore. I will be getting a new beehive soon. All these bees would be my bees and making honey for me right now, but they're not because I don't have my beehive. The lime tree flowered. Here's another flower bud on the lime tree. You can see there's already the baby limes coming. Let's see. Right here. Here are baby limes. There's already a lime down here coming along. Look at that beautiful lime. So that's what's flowering right now. I have some bananas that are coming. Not quite ready yet. Oh, there's bananas. I keep an eye on those and harvest them when they start to turn yellow. And things are really starting to explode. Even the avocado tree Brock out in the front is starting to show some new growth and some buds. So it's going to be some fun times in the spring with everything growing. And I look forward to what the harvests are going to be. Thanks for watching the Medical Medium Way, where I help those with chronic illness by sharing the powerful medical scripture brought to us by Anthony William, the Medical Medium. I'm healing, and so can you.